Today we start with the electrolytic reduction of fused alumina, and that process is known as the Hall Heroults process. Okay, the electrolyte that we are using is molten alumina, cryolite, and fluorospar. And the temperature we are maintaining around 950 degrees Celsius. We have the two electrodes, the anode, which is your rods of graphite, which is suspended in the electrolyte, and the cathode, the inner carbon lining of the electrolytic cell, which will serve as the cathode. Okay, now as soon as you connect the two electrodes to the two terminals of the battery, current starts flowing, and sodium aluminum fluoride is going to dissociate, gives us sodium ions, aluminum ion, fluoride ion. Calcium fluoride will also dissociate, give us calcium ion and fluoride ion. Alumina is also going to dissociate, give us aluminum ion and oxide ion. So out of all this positive ion, it is the aluminium ion which will go towards the cathode. There it is going to gain 3 electrons, change into aluminium and get deposited at the cathode. But whatever aluminium is there, that aluminium will be in the molten state because of this very high temperature of 950 degrees Celsius. And at the anode, whatever oxide ion is there, it is going to go towards the anode. It is going to lose 2 electrons, change into oxygen atom, and 2 oxygen atom combine together to form a molecule of oxygen. Okay, now as the oxygen is rising up, it comes in contact with the graphite rod and it eats away the graphite rod. That means graphite is carbon. So carbon, when it reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. Now the question is, what is the function of adding cryolite or fluorospar? The reason why we add cryolite is to lower the fusion temperature of the of your electrolyte. Okay, and cryolite and fluorospar also act as very good solvents, so that it makes this alumina a better conductor of electricity. Now on top of this electrolytic mixture, we also put some powdered coke. Now the function of that powdered coke is to prevent the heat loss by radiation, number one, and number two, it also prevents the graphite rod from getting oxidized. So this is your electrolytic reduction of fused alumina. That process is known as the Hall Heroults process.